Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare OpenAI in VS Code. We'll dive straight into understanding how artificial intelligence can transform your coding workflow. We'll examine popular extensions and direct API integrations, focusing on their unique strengths and practical applications. Our goal is to equip you with the knowledge to choose the best AI assistant for your specific development needs, making your coding experience smoother and more efficient. Let's start with GitHub Copilot, a widely adopted AI pair programmer. It seamlessly integrates into VS Code, providing real-time code suggestions as you type. Imagine having an intelligent assistant that understands your context and offers relevant code snippets, from simple variable names to complex algorithms. This tool can dramatically accelerate your development, potentially saving you several hours each week by automating routine coding tasks. Beyond Copilot, you can leverage ChatGPT directly or explore a range of custom VS Code extensions. These tools offer a more interactive experience, allowing you to chat with an AI to debug, explain complex code, or even generate test cases. Many extensions provide fine-tuned control over the AI's behavior, letting you tailor its responses to your exact requirements. This flexibility empowers you to tackle unique coding challenges with intelligent, on-demand support. So, how do you choose the right AI assistant for your VS Code setup? If you prioritize seamless code completion and generation, GitHub Copilot is an excellent choice. For more interactive problem-solving, code explanation, or highly specific tasks, direct ChatGPT access or specialized extensions might be better. We recommend trying out a few options to see which one aligns best with your coding style and project needs, ensuring maximum productivity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.